This is Ghost, a 62-foot swathe with twin articulating hulls powered by a pair of 1600 horsepower gas turbines, seen here travelling at over 30 knots. She draws only 4 feet for coastal operations and for use as a commuter boat in an island environment, should you wish. The inherent shock mitigation from the hull form means that she doesn't pound at high speed. Have a look at the boat to port of her and see how that boat is pounding as she hits the waves, whereas Ghost remains completely level. This is achieved by pioneering technology so that the underwater hulls are surrounded by a boundary of gas. Called Ghost because of her low radar signature. Here in the central pod there is room for 2 crew and 16 passengers, all for high value goods. The hybrid turbine and electric drive makes her very fuel efficient. She rides high speed, flat, low fuel consumption. Ghost, extraordinary.